Hello guys, again, James Marty here. I will show you today how to copy my signals, okay? Just click right here and select the chart. Let's select candles, okay? You need to enable that for the candle, okay? Click here, candles. And now enable timer. This helps us a lot, okay? Don't forget to enable that. Now, we need to change them 1 to M5. This is other thing that we need to do. Just click on the chart again, okay? Time frames, as you can see, is M1, 10 to M5, okay? Now we have a chart with M5 or 5 minutes candles, okay? And we need to change the time, the expiration of our operation, okay? First of all, we need to change the time zone. Click on settings. Now the time zone, okay? And we need to use UTC -3 São Paulo, okay? Select it here, go up, and select UTC -3. You need to tend this, it's very important, guys, to copy the signals, okay? Right. Now you have configured your time zone, okay? Select the time frame to M5, okay? Now let's change the operation time, okay? First, you need to select the pair, okay? Let's find one. We can use the search to find that pair. I'm showing here, EUR/USD on time 10:55, okay? Without UTC, guys, I will explain that in another video, okay? We have here EUR/USD that you need to make entry, okay? 10:55. Now it's 10:52, 2:53, and we have to select a good amount to make this operation, $50, okay? And select the time, change to M5, okay? Now this will show to us the time. And we need to use the lower button that is the same for put for the signal that I showed, okay? So let me speed the video. So guys, pay attention to use the lower button. Now it's 10:54:51, okay? You need to select the lower button on 10:55, okay? Right now. So let's wait for the operation, okay? So if you lose the first entry, you need to double up our amount of $50 to $100, okay? So let's wait for the results. If I lost my first entry on 11 o'clock, I need to double up to 100 and try again using the lower button. But if I don't lose, I will show you the example the same way, okay? So let's wait more 20 seconds. I already double up my amount. Remain 10 seconds, okay? Let's wait for that. So 3 seconds, I win this one, but let's double up and try again using the Gale and example, okay? Just show for you guys. It's very easy. Now the operation has almost 2 minutes, okay? Let's wait for that. 1 minute, 30 seconds, 1 minute, almost there. I think we got this one again, okay? And 10 seconds. We got this one, guys. 182 of profits, okay? So, thank you so much, guys. See you.